I could have gone to the store and bought the watercolor resist product. But why would I do that when I could spend hours and hours experimenting with household items to see if I could create a watercolor resist? I've sampled about 8 different things that you might have around your art studio. I found some clear winners. And I am also reviewing some cool new Brea Reese products that you can buy at Target. And I will also be joined by my lovely assistant. What's your name?
Gigi.
Gigi. This is Josie. I am an artist. I love color, process, and material, and today I'm going to be talking about watercolor resist. One of the things I was curious about was what are the things that might create a watercolor resist. So I tried 6 different things, and the results are super interesting. You can see from the test panel here the different things that I tried. I was using the Brea Reese watercolor inks to make these paintings. Another super cool Brea Reese product is this great watercolor resist pad. The thing that's amazing about this is it has all these beautiful designs just printed right on it. And you can pick this up at any old Target and for a nice price, I might mention. And it's good for the kiddos.
Ooh.
Do you want to paint that one? That would look like fun. Should we do that one? Okay, whoa. It's looking pretty good, kid.
What color one did we not do?
Well, you could probably do a little bit more blue, maybe.
Yeah. Ooh, that's not blue.
Color.
That's not blue.
What would you call that?
Teal.
You're trying to squeeze out the water. It's a good technique. I like it. I like it. What color are you gonna use now?
Ooh, ooh, ooh! I know what to do. Okay.
So then we'll be able
Give
to
me.
see. Okay,
Give
hold
me.
on. Let me just finish what I was doing.
Footprint.
Wow. Sounds like you're generous, Tom. What are you doing there?
Painting that and then
Splash. Printing?
Wait.
Are you printing it?
Ooh.
See what happens. Look at the camera and say,
Bye bye.
that seems like what we're gonna get, folks. Did you have fun, Gigi? Did you have fun painting?
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something and enjoyed this video. I will hopefully have my lovely assistant Gigi back for more crazy art action in the future. Let me know if you'd like to see more of Gigi. If you want to see more of my work, you can check me out on Instagram. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments if there's any other questions that you want me to address around art supply, practice of making art, and the process and creative blocks and all of those things. I love talking about all of it, and I'd love to fulfill your needs. So you just let me know, friends. Let me know.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching.
Super good. You are not easy to direct, kid. Yeah, these are like little punchy things that you can pull out. We'll pull those out later. Or now. Or now. Why not now? You have a lot of...
No kisses. No kisses.